Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps, and honestly I'm really struggling to see anything right now because the sun is so bright, so that's why I'm squinting. Today I don't really have an entire plan for what this vlog is, although me, Jay and his friend are going to Exmouth, I almost said Exeter, I live in Exeter, we're going to Exmouth to take photos mainly for our coursework for college, although I'd like to get some for Instagram as well, some kind of fitness photos at the Calisthenics park, maybe. Well, I definitely need to get some in this clothing. Cliffside sent me out this a while ago, I made a video for them. If you haven't seen it, check out my Instagram. But I need to get some photos in it as well, so we're getting that as well. I'm just going to vlog it. I'm going to the gym right now. I need to get a meal deal from Spa. Going to the gym, it's leg day. Then I'll catch the train from Digby down to Exmouth with Jay. So yeah, let's head in Spa first. Done at the gym now. Didn't have the longest workout because we needed to get the train in a minute. I was doing legs, as I said. I only missed one exercise actually. I had to skip the last set on kettlebell lunges, but I didn't do leg extensions. Here's what I did. I did rowing machine warm up like usual. I did barbell squats for 3 sets, calf raises for 3 sets simultaneously. Then leg presses, I did GBT for leg presses, so 10 sets. And then leg extensions obviously I couldn't do, like I said I did kettlebell lunges instead for 2 sets, skip the 3rd set. All done there, need to get the train now, which is leaving in half an hour, so I've got to kind of rush a bit. So I haven't actually updated you guys since we were on the train, since I got a few cinematic clips. Everybody's laughing at me now. Bro, what? You said you wouldn't be awkward with it. The second I pull out the camera, you start laughing at me. We've already been doing photos for a little while and I haven't updated you guys because I kind of forgot about the vlog. I'll flick through a couple of photos I've got so far. I've actually got some ones which I'm quite happy of you if I'm allowed to include them. Sweet. Now we're here at this like Calisthenics part because this is the one thing I wanted to do today to get photos here, fitness style ones, because I thought a fitness shoot would be quite cool and I've never properly done one before. So I've got Jay to get a few of me doing that. Apart from that, I'm just getting portraits of the other two and just seeing what looks cool. The main aim of today is to get photos which I can use for my coursework, although I want to get some which I can use for my Instagram as well, because I haven't really got much content out recently and I want to redo my feed, so. So one of the reasons I quit taking photos so quickly earlier is because the sun came out. Sun's good for fitness photo shoots, because as I was trying to explain to Jay, if we have the sun coming at me sideways and it leaves shadows on like one side of my body which makes your muscles look more defined, like your abs, it makes you look like have more abs, simply because the shadows are like giving you definition. Like you can see it like while I'm recording right now, if I'm in the sun there it looks bright, it looks more defined over my chest and stuff. I was trying to tell that to Jay earlier. Jay knows already, but like I stood there, but it turned out terrible. Like I was directly in the sun, so he told me to move to the side. And like, if I show you the 2 different photos now, you can see the difference which having shadows from where the light is can cause. So that's one of the things we were trying to focus on earlier, like getting the light coming at me from the side rather than front on, so that I'd have more definition while doing those workout photos. Another thing I want to do in a minute is take some of my traditional Instagram style photos, so like wide angle lens, low down, looking up, in which case it creates like a really dramatic kind of look, especially because you're looking up at the person, makes them look bigger, etc. So that's what I'm hoping to go and do at the seafront in a minute. Do the section in the vlog where I show you like how I take photos of my normal Instagram style. Like if you look back at my posts mostly from October, they're very wide. I use a 10 to 18mm Canon lens, so that instantly gives me a wide field of view. So if I do it here, I can get beyond both sides of the train in, and then I go down low because it creates more of like a menacing look. It makes like the person, the subject of the photo look bigger, and I just feel like that looks better for Instagram photos, because if you want, basically the whole point of Instagram is have a subject to look good, etc. And I think if they look bigger in the photo and more imposing, then that's better for your Instagram feed. So 10mm here, getting a wide photo of Jay standing in front of this trailer. Jay's going to pop to the side over there. Once edited, this should look super cool because I've got like the orange tones of the trailer, orangey brown, and I've got the blue of the sky. Opposite side the colour wheels, which also look good. So that's kind of what I aim to do for my Instagram photos. So we've been at the beach for 45 minutes or so now, and we're planning on heading back for the 5:45 train. No, 5:25 train, sorry. It's 4:45 right now, so it's 4:45. There's a nice ferry over there in the background somewhere. Yeah, so seems like the day's coming to an end. Might get a couple more photos on the seafront or something, but yeah. I'll show you every photo I've got in today's photo shoot at the end of the video. I'll probably just go through them really fast. You can see the kind of things we've been up to. And yeah, been an interesting day doing a shoot at Calisthenics Park and getting some more photos around Exmouth. Hopefully do a few more of these videos soon. I'm trying to get more consistent with my YouTube channel because I feel like it's a good tool which I have in terms of social medias and stuff, which is going kind of to waste if I'm not uploading on it often. So I'd like to continue doing videos on YouTube maybe a bit more often, maybe more like once a week, once I've left college, etc. So that's what I'm working on now. If you want to see more videos, let me know, give me ideas of what I could do. Anyway, yeah, let's go get the train. And I'm starving hungry as well.